Hi there, and welcome to Funny German Sayings. Let's dive right in. Our first saying is
Da steppt der Bär.
which literally translates to the bear is stepping there. It means there's a lot happening or the place is really lively. Next up, we have
Ich glaub, mein Schwein pfeift.
or I think my pig is whistling. This one is used to express disbelief, like I can't believe it. Number 3 is
Da liegt der Hase im Pfeffer.
translating to that's where the rabbit lies in the pepper. This means that's the crux of the problem. The fourth saying is
Alles hat ein Ende. Nur die Wurst hat zwei.
literally, everything has an end, only the sausage has two. It means everything comes to an end. Fifth is
Einen Vogel haben.
which means to have a bird. In English, we'd say someone is a bit crazy or has a screw loose.
Das ist mir Wurst.
As our sixth phrase, meaning that is sausage to me. In other words, I don't care or it doesn't matter to me. Seventh is
Lachen wie ein Honigkuchenpferd.
or to laugh like a honeycake horse. This means to have a very broad, happy smile. Next, we have
Die Kirche im Dorf lassen.
which means leave the church in the village. It's a way of saying, let's be realistic, or don't get carried away. The ninth saying is,
Jetzt geht's die Wurst.
literally, now it's about the sausage. This means, now it's getting serious. Finally, we have,
Nicht alle Tassen im Schrank haben.
which translates to, not to have all cups in the cupboard. It means someone is a bit crazy. So, those were 10 funny German sayings. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.